Best car insurance for first-time drivers. First we have allstate, offering a blend of affordability and comprehensive coverage. Allstate stand out as a reliable choice for first-time drivers. Their competitive rates and various coverage options make them a strong contender. State Farm. When it comes to claim handling and customer satisfaction, State Farm takes the lead. They are not just known for quick and efficient claims processing but also offers discounts tailored to teen drivers. Progressive. For those seeking flexibility, Progressive's Name Your Price tool is a big game changer. This feature allows you to customize your policy to fit your budget while ensuring you're adequately covered. Geico is famous for its extensive range of discounts, and first-time drivers can benefit from student-specific deals. If you're hitting the books while hitting the road, Geico might have just the deal for you. Liberty Mutual. Sometimes extra coverage options provide that peace of mind. Liberty Mutual stand out with offerings like new car replacement and accident forgiveness, ideal for first-time drivers looking for comprehensive protection. Remember, finding the right car insurance is about striking a balance between coverage and cost. Take a closer look at these top options. Compare their offerings and choose the one that aligns with your needs and budget. When you're out on the road as a first-time driver, safety comes first. So pick the coverage that suits you, drive responsibly, and enjoy the journey ahead. So I think you have gathered some information from this video, and I hope this just helped you out, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.